want to introduce you firstly here to Ulrich. He is our project manager. That means, yes, he will organize our catching, and that will be going straight. That is wonderful. Then, of course, here Dr. Albert, you know him, and his team. And then here we have Dr. Mohammed from the Web Chamber.
That's a great honor.
So that is a great honor that he is here, and he will be with us the whole time when we are catching. He is our permission that we have the right to catch dogs.
Dog number 8.2 for the date, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody knows then who is in the group.
So Ulrich, he already explained to you how we are doing it. We are driving now to an area there we catched already a lot of dogs, but they was also pregnant dogs. They have already puppies, and these puppies, they are also ready to get operation. I think our target will be today 5 to 8 dogs. And yes, we bring you word, guys. Alhamdulillah. And let's rock the day. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.